Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM31. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. The Thermomix TM31 is a versatile kitchen appliance, but overheating and displaying error 69 can be a concerning issue. This problem typically arises when the temperature sensor malfunctions or when there's an obstruction in the heating element. If left unresolved, it could lead to further damage, making the appliance inoperable. To tackle this repair, you will need a screwdriver set, a replacement temperature sensor, a pair of tweezers, and some isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. First, ensure you unplug the Thermomix TM31 to avoid any electrical hazards. Carefully use a screwdriver to remove the screws located at the base of the device. Keep these screws safe, as you will need them later. Once you have access to the interior, look for the temperature sensor, which is usually located near the heating element. It may be secured by a couple of clips, so gently release these with your fingers or a pair of tweezers. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After removing the faulty sensor, take the new temperature sensor and carefully insert it into the same position, ensuring it fits snugly. Reattach any cables you may have disconnected, and make sure they are secure. Once everything is in place, it's time to reassemble the device. Replace the screws you removed earlier, applying a moderate force to ensure they are tight but not overly so, as you could risk damaging the casing. Before plugging it back in, double-check that there are no loose wires or tools left inside. Now that the Thermomix TM31 is securely closed, plug it back in and turn it on to verify that the overheating issue has been resolved and that error 69 no longer appears. To prevent this issue from recurring, ensure regular maintenance of your device, clean the heating element periodically, and avoid overloading it during use. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.